Welcome to the public involvement video for the Wisconsin 39 resurfacing project located in Greene and Iowa counties. The design project ID is 5970-02-04 and the construction ID is 5970-02-74. The project limits are from Hollandale to New Glarus. The project termini is between County K in Hollandale and 0.16 miles east of York Center Road in the town of York. This again is the public involvement video for the resurfacing of Wisconsin 39. The project staff for the Wisconsin 39 project include Kurt Johnson, Wisconsin Department of Transportation Project Development Supervisor, Jim Simpson, Wisconsin Department of Transportation Project Manager, and Ryan Rajinski, Design Consultant Project Manager with RH Batterman. The agenda for the presentation will include project limits, project purpose and need, design overview, recent activities, upcoming schedule, and lastly, contact information. Project limits again are between Hollandale and New Glarus. The beginning point for the west limits of the project is at County K, which is at the eastern edge of the village of Hollandale, shown in the upper left. The ending point for the east limits of the project is just east of York Center Road, which is about 6 miles west of the village of New Glarus limits, shown in the lower right. The total length of the project is nearly 11 miles. The purpose of the project is to address the pavement deterioration, aging surface, and establish a consistent roadway cross-section along Wisconsin 39. This picture shows the different types of cracking on Wisconsin 39, whether it is transverse, longitudinal, or edge cracking. The roadway improvements include milling 4 inches of the existing asphalt pavement and paving back 4 inches of new asphalt. Placing of new aggregate shoulders along with new pavement markings along the center line and edge lines of the road. The current cross-section of the road is 10 to 12 foot wide asphalt driving lanes with 2 to 6 foot wide aggregate shoulders. The proposed roadway typical section shown here includes 2 12-foot wide asphalt driving lanes to provide a more consistent paved roadway section and a variable aggregate shoulder between 2 feet and 6 feet wide. This project will also place additional asphalt on the shoulders through the curved sections of the roadway. Also included in the project is the replacement of deteriorating culverts. We have identified 16 roadway crossing culverts to be replaced along the corridor, as shown by the red text and arrows in the map in the center. This is about 30% of the total roadway crossing culverts. The reason for replacement is these pipes have corrosion, holes, and undermining of the flow line and sides of pipes, as you can see by the 2 pictures shown here. The culvert sizes for replacement range from 18 inches all the way up to 72 inches in diameter. Traffic control for Wisconsin 39. Since there are some deep culverts, the roadway may need to be closed to replace these culverts with a detour route posted. The potential detour route is shown as the red line on the map with the black line showing the project limits. This detour route includes Wisconsin 69, Wisconsin 92, Wisconsin 78, US 18, Wisconsin 23, and Wisconsin 191. An alternate detour route shown in blue could split the construction in 2 sections at Wisconsin 78 and utilize Wisconsin 78 between Wisconsin 39 and US 18 in Mount Horeb to shorten the detour length. Some of the shallower culverts could be replaced under flagging conditions with the road open to traffic to minimize the road closure timeframe. The remainder of the project during milling and paving operations will be open to traffic with flagging operations to direct traffic through the construction zone. Recent activity on Wisconsin 39. In the fall of 2020, survey was completed throughout the corridor and the culverts were inspected to determine which ones needed replacement. So far in 2021, initial agency coordination to the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources, Fish and Wildlife Services, and Native American tribes is completed. Preliminary plans are completed, and a draft environmental report is completed. One of the reasons we are doing this informational video is to gather public comments on the project. That way we can incorporate these comments into the final environmental document. The upcoming schedule for the project. We are looking to have a signed environmental document in December of 2021. Real estate will begin in August of 2022. Acquisition of new right-of-way and/or temporary easements will be needed at many of the culvert replacement locations. Final plans will be completed in August of 2024, and construction is currently scheduled for 2025. We would like to thank you for your time. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please send us an email, give us a call, or send mail to 2101 Wright Street, Madison, Wisconsin 53704. Comments are welcome at any time, but if you would like them included in the environmental document, please send them to us by November 15th. Our project contact information is listed here. Kurt Johnson, WIS Project Supervisor, Jim Simpson, WIS Project Manager, and Ryan Rodzinski with Batterman, Design Consultant Project Manager. Emails and phone numbers are listed next to the respective names. We would like to thank you once again for watching the video and staying informed on this DOT project. Thank you.